Morning. Today we are going to Torres del Paine. This is about 1 hour and 15 minutes drive. The road is very bumpy, but along the way we saw a lot of wildlife, and halfway we almost captured the puma, but didn't manage to. But anyway, we are running out of time. Just to let you know that while we are driving in this kind of beautiful nature national park reserve, the lens is always with me, so it's always on my lap, and every time when I'm driving I will spot some wildlife animals and quickly make a quick capture on the animals. Okay, cheers. Okay, we're starting our Torre del Paine walk. Hopefully we'll be there in about 5 hours and back here another 5 hours. Let's see what happens. Cheers.
没事啊，你要多杯口水。对，因为我做那个。
好。I just took some water from the waterfall here, and the water here is drinkable. Yeah. Now we've got to cross and move our way up there. Oh, just careful. Okay.
Next day, okay.
Alright. We're here. We are here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I might get one too.
Yes, yes. Turn around. Yes.
I think instead of volume.
What is portrait mode? Retrato, like,
Retrato.
okay.
No, retrato no.
Alright, we're finally here at Torre del Paine in Chile. Yeah.
Oh.